Cracking any exam on the first attempt requires a smart strategy, consistent effort, and the right mindset. Whether it's a school test, competitive exam, or university entrance, success depends on planning, discipline, and confidence. Here's a step by step guide to help you achieve your goal. First, understand the syllabus and exam pattern. Start by thoroughly understanding the syllabus and exam patterns. Know what topics are covered, the types of questions asked, the marking scheme, and the weightage of each section. This helps you create a focused study plan and avoid wasting time on irrelevant topics. Second, make a realistic study plan. Create a daily and weekly study schedule that covers the entire syllabus with time for revision and practice. Break large topics into smaller parts and assign specific days for each. Stick to the timetable as much as possible. Be realistic. Don't overload your schedule. Instead, aim for steady progress. Third, use smart study techniques. Use active learning methods like summarizing notes, solving past papers, and using flashcards or mind maps. Apply the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This boosts focus and avoids burnout. Regular revision and self-quizzing help strengthen memory and confidence. Fourth, practice with mock tests. Practice as many mock tests and previous year papers as possible. This helps you get familiar with the exam format, manage time efficiently, and identify weak areas. Analyze your mistakes and revise accordingly. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Fifth, clear your doubts. Don't let doubts pile up. Seek help from teachers, friends, online platforms, or study groups. Understanding every concept is crucial for scoring well, especially in competitive exams where conceptual clarity is key. Sixth, stay consistent and avoid procrastination. Studying a little every day is better than cramming at the last minute. Consistency builds retention and reduces stress. Avoid distractions like social media during study hours. Use focus apps or turn off notifications to maintain concentration. Seventh, stay healthy and balanced. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and take short walks or do light exercise. Don't ignore mental health. Take breaks, stay positive, and talk to someone if you're feeling overwhelmed. Eighth, stay positive and confident. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Keep reminding yourself why you started. Surround yourself with positive influences and stay motivated with affirmations or success stories. A positive mindset helps you perform better under pressure. Ninth, revise, regularly schedule time for regular revision of what you've studied. Revise important formulas, definitions, and key points weekly. Closer to the exam, focus on revision more than learning new topics.